Question number 1. Which animal is known to sleep while standing? The correct answer is horse. Question number 2. Which animal is known for its black and white stripes? The correct answer is zebra. Question number 3. Which animal is the largest reptile in the world? The correct answer is crocodile. Question number 4. Which animal is known to hibernate during winter? The correct answer is bear. Question number 5. Which animal is known as the ship of the desert? The correct answer is camel. Question number 6. Which animal is known to have the strongest bite force? The correct answer is crocodile. Question number 7. Which animal is known to have the longest neck? The correct answer is giraffe. Question number 8. Which animal is known to produce the loudest sound among mammals? The correct answer is blue whale. Question number 9. Which animal is known to have the best memory? The correct answer is elephant. Question number 10. Which animal is known to have the longest migration route? The correct answer is Arctic tern.